What's going on, my hungry humans, and welcome back to the Hungry Road. My name is Eric. Thank you again for tuning in. If it's your first time seeing my face, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, like the video while you're at it. It helps me out in the algorithm, but I hope you can hear me over this awesome music. We are here in Minneapolis, Minnesota at Runyon's. So I want to thank my man's roommate. He is the co-host of the greatest podcast you heard today, Quarantine's podcast. He said, yo, you got to try this place out. I said, okay. Usually, when I'm in Minneapolis, I come out here, I go to Ray J's, I go to D-Spot. Fine. I gotta give some other people a chance. So, here we are at Runyon's, hanging out, it's a good time. So next door used to be an opera house. And this place was like where you came to get food and drink before the show. And you went next door and you enjoyed the show. Cool. I don't know what happened to the opera house, but in 1982, Paul Runyon bought this place, because next door is a parking lot now, it's crazy. So Paul Runyon bought this place in 1982 and turned it into what we have here today. And he developed this wing recipe. Like, it's a legendary wing recipe. They've been using it for 38 years. Obviously it's 2022, that's 40 years, there's 2 years of a gap there. I don't know what happened. Maybe it took 2 years to develop the food, the sauce, whatever. I also heard there's a ghost downstairs that helps the crew out sometimes. I don't know. I'm gonna give a big thank you to Rachel for letting me come in here and film. It's gonna be a good time. So in front of me here, I have the Fulton. That's a local brewery here in Minneapolis, Fulton. This is the Snow Emergency Stout. Very, very good. It's not very sweet, and that's kind of how I like my beers. I don't want to drink juice. There's not enough carbs in it by itself, but it's like almost a coffee-ish. That bitterness from like a coffee is very, very faint, but it's very good. This is my first one, not my first beer, but my first one of these. But it's a good stout. How strong is it, by the way? I have no idea. Let's look through the can right here so I can find it. 6%. That's fine. So yes, I got 2 items on the way. Of course, I'm here for their wings, but they are known for their burgers as well, and like the buffalo shrimp. But it's like a nice chill, like sports bar, neighborhood friendly bar. So the food's on the way. Let's get it cracking. All right, y'all, the food has arrived, and I am so excited to try this stuff out. We have the buffalo shrimp here. So they're like butterflied a little bit. They cut them open. Check them out. They cut them open for you, and they like flash fry them to cook them. So it's not like breaded or anything, but it's like cocktail shrimp, but hot and crispy. I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Good smell. Smell got some heat to it. I don't think I've ever had buffalo shrimp. Have I? Oh, it is. Very good. Salty, bold, rich, creamy. Good flavors there. I taste that. There's a very hint of vinegar. Good butter in there. Good hot sauce in there. And it sticks to your ribs, sticks to your fingers a little bit. That's a very good shrimp. Now they have 2 different sauces. Like you can get the buffalo sauce or buffalo habanero. And that's what I got for these. I'm gonna try the wing next. Psych. I'm not doing the wing next. They make their blue cheese here in-house too. Look, there's a test. I haven't done a blue test in a minute. Check it out. Look how thick that sauce is. I'm gonna hold it upside down for you. I'm gonna dip it upside down if I can. Oh, too much. It's too much. Look, nice house blue cheese. Give it a good shot here. Yo, this is fantastic. Top tier blue cheese. It's not mild. It's not sharp. It's not like basic or mild. There's some stuff in here. So there are real chunks. Hold on. Chives. I get like an onion flavor maybe? Dill maybe? I gotta ask them about this because that is a fantastic blue cheese. I've had a blue cheese I've felt this way about in a long time. Alright y'all, it's the moment you're waiting for. The wings. These are enormous. Look at these wings. Look how big these wings are. This is my hand. This is the wing. These are huge. Just going for a bite. It's a nice. Is it steam there? It's a nice classic wing. Fried to perfection. Good size. Good crispy skin. Cooked well. It's a solid wing. This reminds me of like a buffalo. It's a buffalo wing. It's like someone from Buffalo was like, you know what? I'm going to Minnesota and I'm going to stake my claim. And that's what they did. Now I have the wing in my hand. Let's blue cheese it. Because you know, a good marriage between blue cheese and hot sauce just works. Check it out. You got it right there. Steam still come off that thing right there. I'm going to clean it. Yo. Why have I not heard about Runyons before? These are the only 2 flavors you can get, but like, these are fantastic wings. Upper level echelon. It's like, how do I describe this to you? Let's say Toyota. Toyota makes these cars, right? They can make the same car and make it better and better and better. Or they can make the same car and add a bunch of features and craziness that you don't really need. And that's what a lot of wing spots do. They give you 200 flavors, 300 flavors, whatever. Spicy this and garlic this and raspberry this. This is the Toyota. This is gonna work. Same recipe for 38 years. And I see why it's working. Dare I say these are better than some stuff I've had in Buffalo? But let's get this habanero cracking and let's see how hot it really gets. All right, y'all. Last but not least, we got the habanero buffalo. Buffalo habanero, I just want to say it. These are got much more of a red coloration. They're a little scarier than the regular buffalo. Check these guys out. Look at that redness right there. Oh man, the smell. I got right in my nose. Let's go for it. There's definitely more heat there. Right up on the entry, and right to the back of my throat. It's like Buffalo kicked up. Like it's like Buffalo Big Brother. Like, you was talking about my son or my a little brother? And he stepped in and was like, yo, I'm gonna take care of this for you. This is nice. This is real good. Alright, you know me. I'm a heat seeker. I prefer the hot wings. But I got the blue cheese in hand. I use this one. I used it already. Get it in here. Nice little scoop. Go ahead and clean it. That is an excellent marriage of flavors. It's like to develop the blue cheese to go with the buffalo and the buffalo to go with the blue cheese. It is fantastic. But guys, that's my time here at Runyon's. I got some friends waiting on me. I'm over here in the corner filming. A big thank you again to Rachel. Let me come in here and film. Make sure you ask her when you come in here. Tell them the Hungry Road sent you. I don't know what they're gonna do for you. I might help you out in the long run. But Runyon's is definitely on my list of places to revisit in the future. And you should come here too because these wings are absolutely fantastic. Remember, smash the subscribe button first time seeing my face. Like the video. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Thank you. Yo, Minneapolis is absolutely repping the wing game out here. Now, if you want a very simple wing, you're going to want to come to Runyon. They have the nice hot flavors and the nice buffalo flavors. That's about it. They're big, they're juicy, fried to perfection, very simple atmosphere, very simple menu, not too complex. I loved it here. If you guys are in the area, make sure you come check it out. Big, giant, juicy wings, just made perfectly.